Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 American IRONHORSE Texas Chopper. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2006 American IRONHORSE Texas Chopper with 7,118 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an S&S 124 cubic inch engine, air suspension, aftermarket wheels, and diamond cut cylinder heads. We have replaced the rear tire. In stock form, the Texas Chopper is powered by a 111 cubic inch engine, putting 110 horsepower and 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.5 gallon fuel capacity, the Texas Chopper has a 105 to 140 mile range. It has a 25.3 inch seat height and a 610 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 3/32 seconds, and installed the new rear tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the open belt drive, clutch rattles in neutral, which is common with this type of drive system. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches and heating blemishes on the exhaust, chrome chipping on both forks, and paint peeling on the front rim. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.